Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by locking down the signal path and reference levels so the compressor reacts predictably. Plug guitar into the pedal into amp, and set your guitar volume to a clean headroom point. This prevents the pedal from chasing peaks. Begin with Unity-style settings, sustain or output at noon, attack set fast, ratio around 4:1, because these let you hear what compression is doing. Once done, play single notes and short chords to confirm the pedal responds, without obvious pumping or distortion. You now sculpt tone and dynamics so the compressor serves musical goals. Turn attack slower if you want natural pick transients to pass, or faster to even out attack. This is why attack matters. Raise sustain or lower threshold to increase sustain and even notes. Lower sustain to preserve dynamics. Make the output or level match bypass volume so compression's effect is about texture, not loudness. As you play, switch between chords and single note lines. To hear cumulative changes, you finish by refining the pedal in your full rig and saving what works. Put the compressor in context with overdrive, delay, and amp EQ because interaction changes perceived compression. Make sure the makeup gain balances levels. If you hear pumping or breathing, reduce the ratio or slow the attack. If the sound becomes lifeless, speed up attack or lower sustain. Make a /B bypass checks frequently, write down knob positions, and if problems persist, check cable and power source before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.